and I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to use Flocabulary for the classroom. So what you'll need to do is go into your web browser and type in flocabulary.com. You can also use this in any iOS system or Android, so any tablet or smartphone is an option. On your main screen, what you see is a main menu at the top of different lessons that are available, different graphic organizers that you can print off, how it works, so question and answer, pricing guide, a spot for students to join your class by typing in a code or typing in their login information once they have it, a spot for you to log in, and a free trial area. Now, a free trial is 30 days, and I highly recommend that if you are just starting off. So the pricing is pretty expensive. It's $120 per year per teacher. Now, if you just have the Lite account, then all that you have available are some printed resources, and all of the videos are available to you so that you can use this whole group. If you were to use this as a school or a district, then you have the option to push through different assignments to your student and then collect a database of different skills, different scores that you have from the quizzes. Now, if you already have an account, then what you would do is you would log in. Super easy to log in, especially if you already have that free account. Everything just transfers over. And what you'll need to do is click on My Classes. Now, once you are in My Classes, what you will see are the different classes that you've created. If you don't have any classes, you would click Create a Class. Let's say that you want a science class. You want it for grade 4, I don't know, I'm just making this up, science, and even a text to tool options for students who have that on any of their 504 plans or IEPs. So you would click on Create a Class, and right here you see a class code that you can project on your board, where earlier I had shown you where you can log in as a student, or you can push through Google Classroom, which is a great option, or through email invitations. So what we see here is your classes that are already here. So I have a couple classes already. I'm going to go ahead and click on the math class that I had. So what you will see is an option for you to create an assignment. Now let's say that you really feel like your students are not doing so hot in, I'm wasting time here, algorithms. And you want your students to watch a video on it. What I usually just do is I have them watch a video and then take a quiz. Now there are also other options. You could even assign a due date. So create the assignment, and then from the student end, what they would see, or from your end, what you would see is an individual result once they have taken the quiz, and then even a comprehension analysis as they go through as a class and take these quizzes. So what the student sees from their end is they will see a video, and they will see vocab cards that are a great review, a vocab game where they can go in and they can have a beat and then click and drag answers as they go. Super fun and interactive. Students are dancing when they're doing it. Then you have kind of a practice of a read and respond, and then the quiz. And there's even a lyric lab where students can apply the things that they've learned from their video and their quizzes and practices and then create their own rap. You also have, as a teacher, resources within these videos to print out handouts for every single thing, for every video, I mean. There's even a lesson plan that you can print off, and then you can see the standards that are aligned. So with your video, what you would do is, let's go back to our dashboard. Now let's say you just wanted to see an overall, let's say you wanted to save some of your favorite videos. You could use this option. Now, back in your area, let's say you're just trying to search for a video to see if there's even something available for you to teach whole group. Let's say that your whole class is really struggling on main idea, or you just want to introduce the topic. Have the students watch the video as a class and click discuss. Each of these yellow dots show a spot where where you can stop at these yellow dot moments and then have a quick class discussion. I've used this multiple times when introducing a topic. Now, as far as the Bloom's taxonomy goes, I would say that this is a knowledge base because it's a pretty basic usage with the multiple choice questions. You could advance it to the application level simply because of that lyric lab where students can apply what they know about the vocabulary words into a song. As far as the SAMR model goes, I would say augmentation because it's simply a substitution for other resources like YouTube, iMovie, or Google Forms to take a quick choice quiz and to gather data. But I just like it because I'm incapable of wrapping like this, and the videos are all in one database to engage my students. So my students love it. I feel like it's a really great resource. So if you like it, you should check it out for that free trial.